All right, good morning. It is 8:24, day 6, and what are we on our way to, Dean?
The Grand Canyon, baby.
The Grand Canyon.
The biggest canyon of them all.
That's right, the Mother Canyon.
Yeah.
We're gonna go to the North Rim. Luckily, it's only a little over 2 hours away from here, so pretty easy drive to do.
Yeah.
Probably do a hike or two. And if not, we'll just go stare at the canyon for a little bit, you know?
Hell yeah.
It's gonna be great.
One of the natural wonders of the world. Checking it off my list.
That's right, we're gonna get there and just stare and wander.
One of the greatest Southern rock bands of all time. You know them. You love them. It's the Allman Brothers with Ramblin' Man. Because we are a mobile station driving down the road. Coming at you live.
Lord, I was on a rambling man.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Right, it might be very hard to tell, but there are some bison out there. Dean's not really amazed by it. He's just sitting in the car. 20 minutes to the Grand Canyon. Here we come. We have made it to the North Rim. Yeah. We're walking amongst these cabins right here. You can kind of see the canyon over there, but we're gonna see an even better view in a moment. Yes, we are. Up to the edge here, Dean's about to witness a view of the Grand Canyon for the first time. Let's get a live reaction. So down there in that little creek, the little creek.
That crack?
Yeah, it's the Colorado River. You might see it if we keep going down this direction.
Fungus, or is it actually like coal or no? It would be
6 a.m.?
Thank you. Sunrise isn't until like after 6. It's light. It's light, but it's not sunrise. Okay.
Pretty grand.
Hey, Scott and Dad.
We just did
What's Bright Canyon?
oh, Bright Point or something? Yeah, I got the map right there.
That's the highway right there.
Stepping all over it, bro. Isn't it a bologna peanut butter sandwich?
Hell yeah.
Oh my god.
Peanut butter bologna, folks. Try it. You'll be surprised.
Apparently.
Bright Angel Point.
Alright, Bright Angel Point. Short little hike, Bright Angel Point. Then we went to the gift store. Got some little souvenirs. Like that sandwich. And now we're headed to another hike that's going to be like a 3-mile hike. So we're going to do an actual hike this time. And now we're getting some food and energy in us.
Protein.
Anything else you'd like to add, Dean?
Grand Canyon is really cool. Really freaking big.
It is. The guy at the gift store, he said, "How you doing today?" I was like, "Good." I said, "How you doing?" You know what he said?
Good.
Grand. Ah. Look at this. Oh yeah. Into the line, into the road. also known as Cape Royale.
Cape Royal.
Or Cape Royal, whatever. Battle Cape Royale. And I got a new hiking stick. Oh, animal. Let's go. Never mind. So there was a sign that said no dogs allowed. Look what I see in front of me. Get a nervous, tingly feeling. Dean, what are your thoughts on the view?
Spectacular, magnificent, unfathomable. The amount of time it has taken to carve out this canyon. Longer than any human civilization will ever be on Earth.
True. So Dean, tell them what we did.
Well, we started out at Bright Angel Canyon, then drove around a lot of the North Rim over to, Jesus, what is this called? Something Cape. 1 second. The Cape Royal Trail. Basically the end point of a long road around the North Rim.
22-mile road.
Yep, walked out on a couple of ledges, kind of sat and zenned out for a little while looking at the canyon. It was really nice. Had a couple moments where we didn't see anybody or hear anybody or any planes or anything, so
Pure canyon silence.
yep, pure Arizona.
Pure Arizona. Yeah, that's nice. Now we're gonna drive through this forest again.
Yeah.
See some more views. Back to Zion we ride.
We ride!
We ride!
What?
Shoot, pussy in the night. I feel a lot of pussy when I get into a fight. Sucking dick, kicking ass. Sucking dick, kicking ass right.
Arizona!
Arizona?
Arizona! Utah!
Oh, wow. Wait a second. What do you think the teacher's gonna look like this year? I think of all the education that I missed. But in the boy, we never got like this.
Jesus.
But no, there's the next one. Oh, that's
They gotta help. They're medevacing someone out of here, dude.
Yeah.
Jesus, people. Stay in your lane. No, that car slipped over. How'd that happen? Turn this off. Papa teacher!